Now, finally, do you see this little pulsing dot right here? At the corner of every clip, you can choose to create a fade in or fade out. This will allow the audio or the video to very gradually appear. I hold down my click and I drag across, and that will give me my fade in. We'll use a clip from a song that I love called Without Me. We'll use a clip from a song that I love. And now my audio and video slowly dissolve in. So again, hold down the left mouse button on this pulsing dot and move to the left. Now, as you can see, it created the filter for me, fade out video, fade out audio. So maybe I want the audio to stay at full level, but I want only the video to fade out. By clicking the box, you can activate or deactivate the filter. So this time I'm going to fade out the video, but the audio is going to stay strong. But now if I uncheck the fade out video, my audio will decline, but my video will remain the same. Okay, I hope that you found this helpful. If you're new to this, hopefully this was some good, helpful advice. If this is a review, I hope it was a solid review, and I look forward to seeing you in the next class. Let's finish strong, and until then, goodbye.